Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, also known as Gurudev, Kavi Guru, he was a famous artist, poet, nationalist, and educationist. He has been known worldwide by achieving Nobel Prize in Literature for his book Gitanjali in 1913. His father, Devendranath Tagore, was a deeply religious man and was actively involved in Brahma Samaj. The biggest contribution by Tagore in development of human culture and education was the establishment of Vishwa Bharati School in Santi Niketan by him in 1901. अच्छा, up, apart from being a poet of high order, he was also a high patriot. He was participated in Swadeshi movement. His patriotism was based on internationalism. Like Gandhi, he was also supporter of promoting indigenous industries. On 13 April, on 13 April 1990s, Ravindranath, annoyed by massacre of Jallianwala, he returned the title of Sir conferred by British government. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation of India, considered Tagore as his guru and reverently called him Gurudev. Idea of Rabindranath Tagore on education. Tagore had been a landmark philosopher in the field of education. His philosophy on education were based on four of his fundamental principles, which are nationalism, humanism, internationalism, and idealism. For nationalism, ठीक है, humanism, internationalism, and idealism, ठीक है. For propounding his idea of education, he established Vishwa Bharati University, Santi Niketan. Tagore believed that educating children is the most important work in the process of building up of a nation. He wanted to train human beings for freedom, peace, justice. These were his cardinal ideas of education. फ्रीडम पीस एंड जस्टिस के लिए वो कर रहे हैं. ही रोट अ पोएम वेयर द माइंड इज विदाउट फियर इन विच ही इमेजिन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर द एजुकेशन इज totally free. The underlying theme was absolute freedom, a country where people live without any sort of fear, with pure dignity. Education should be accessible to all, irrespective to their caste, creed, religion, and so on. Broadly, there should be no layer that should stop people from taking education. One education for all, without discrimination. Tagore believed some ideas which were intellectual development. He fostered on development of creativity among children. He criticized the rote learning. He wanted to inculcate various methods of learning in various forms for his students. Nature as a teacher. इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करते हैं. नेचर एज अ टीचर. ही बिलीव्ड दैट नेचर टू बी द बेस्ट टीचर फॉर द स्टूडेंट. नेचर ऑन हिज ओन will teach the child and will instilled the student with the spirit of learning. Various other ideas were self-learning, non-bookish learning, learning environment, and good teacher. He opened up Santi Niketan school to those who believed in East and West alike, in peace and goodwill, without distinction of caste, creed, and away from nationalist politics. He transformed Santi Niketan into a world university to which scholars from the East and West were invited to meet and study each other's culture. He named his university as Vishwa Bharati. ठीक है. Tagore and contribution to nationalism. Tagore and nationalism. पहला है वर्ल्ड एज अ नेस्ट ancient Indian philosophy, humanistic concern, humanism, freedom of mind, purity of nationalism. Tagore believed that world to be a nest and there should be no existence of countries. Tagore believed that the world to be a nest and there should be no existence of countries. He believed in integrated development of whole. Humanism as the feeling of nationalism was there which was much above the political belongingness. Humanism as the feeling of nationalism was there which was above the political belongingness. His view was based on ancient Indian philosophy. He wanted to have purity of race and that there should not be any division among them, which has previously led to world war. ठीक है, प्योरिटी ऑफ रेस और यहाँ पे कोई डिवीज़न नहीं होना चाहिए. His nationalism paved way for international nationalism. He considered the world to be one, so as the history of world is one, and rest countries are were the chapter of larger one. He considered the world to be one, so as the history of the world is one. वर्ल्ड पूरी एक है, हिस्ट्री भी एक ही है और रेस्ट तो ऐसे चैप्टर्स हैं. ठीक है. Tagore's brand of nationalism is fundamentally associated with humanism. Tagore opened that term nationalism was derived from term nation state. He believed that these ideals were intrinsically against the Indian tradition of self-autonomy, pluralism and religious tolerance, which one would find in what he termed as Samaj. His view on nationalism is reflected in his essay Nationalism in India and what is a nation. On other word, nationalism and Tagore rejection of narrow nationalism. Tagore nationalism did not contain narrowly defined concept of nationalism and patriotism. He rejected the idea of nation state and believed in greatest federation of men. Over the course of his life, Tagore traveled to over 30 countries, meeting many famous personalities like Albert Einstein, W.B. Yeats, etc. Tagore had even criticized Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement because it was confined to a local, parochial and limited outlook. He opposed the bonfire of foreign clause during non-cooperation movement. He wanted all human beings to be treated equally regardless of nation to which they belonged. He did not want a barrier between people even within the same nation. The barrier of caste, race, religion, etc. ठीक है. However, his songs such as Bangla Marty, Bangalore Chul, Earth of Bengal and Water of Bengal reflect his sense of patriotism. Tagore's critique of 20th century's nationalism through the Japan example. He saw Japan an example for other Asian nations. Japan broke the myth that only Western nations were capable of modernization. देखो, यूनियन ऑफ ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. Tagore remained a pioneer of intellectual union of East and West. He wrote in India, what is needed is the broad mind, which is not afraid of accepting truth from all sources. ठीक है. Unity of nation. In his world, any nation which takes an isolated view of its own country will run counter to the spirit of new age. This will create antagonism among themselves, has happened in past. Unity of nations, isolation को अगेंस्ट देना. ठीक है. National anthem. His Catholic internationalism is best expressed by the fact that he had composed the national anthem for 3 nations: India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Tagore on patriotism. Tagore based his concept of patriotism on the love of his motherland. but he rejected patriotism in geographical terms of reference. Instead, he based his patriotism on the high ideals of humanity. Though all of his teaching, though all his teaching, he proclaimed his hatred for the nation renity. National, ठीक है. It is only small mind patriotism dissociate itself from higher ideals of humanity. Tagore. His idea on patriotism for India be traced from his poem in India's Prayer. His love for country was based on humanity and advocated the cause of country on the basis of universal freedom. He also believed that a nation which gives itself immoral aggrandizement ultimately destroy its own ideals itself. इमोरल जो भी अगर इमोरल देता है तो अपने आप को आई लव माई इंडिया बट माई इंडिया इज एन आइडिया एंड नॉट ए जियोग्राफिकल एक्सप्रेशन. ठीक है. टैगोर का कंट्रीब्यूशन देखते हैं. लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट. ही रिसीव्ड बंगाली लिटरेचर म्यूजिक एज वेल एज इंडियन आर्ट. In 1913, Tagore became the first non-European to win the Nobel in literature for his novel. ठीक है. He wrote the national anthem of India Bangladesh. Education. Tagore was against rote learning. His vision led to the establishment of unique education institute, Vishwa Bharati University. Shanti Niketan Ashram, established by Devendranath, was later expanded by Rabindranath Tagore. Social reform. He used his literature to mobilize people towards political and social reform. Through his work, he protested against Brahminical social order, caste system, narrow sectorialism, untouchability and animal sacrifice. ठीक है. ओके. ब्राह्मणिज्म, कास्ट सिस्टम, नैरो सेक्टरिज्म, अनटचेबिलिटी एंड एनिमल सेक्रीफाइस. इकोनॉमी. इन 1921, टैगोर एंड एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमिस्ट लियोनार्ड सेट अप द इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर रूरल reconstruction. He emphasized on expansion of small scale cottage industry in villages. The aim was supply fresh blood to rural economy depending on local resources. अच्छा. Institution of rural reconstruction. Tagore on religion. Tagore was born at the time there was a wave of renaissance in India. Social reform everywhere. Devoted person, great faith in power of God. According to him, religion is the right path based on morality. Believe in karma according to message of Gita. Considered renowned person and detachment of power. Renounced person. He thinks there was no place for liberation or salvation. He believed that God resides in the heart of hard-working people. He believed that the biggest religion is to have exclusive love for all the creatures of world, and religion cannot confine to any geographical boundary. Thus the vision and thought of Tagore were much ahead of his time. He was a visionary who believed that nation shouldn't be tied in boundaries. Even in educational thought, he believed to be fusion more on creativity rather than bookish knowledge. Tagore argued that whom love for one country gives way to sacred, then disaster is the inevitable outcome. देखते हैं जयप्रकाश नारायण एंड हिज रोल इन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. जयप्रकाश नारायण ऑफन, देखो जेपी को हम कहते हैं लोकनायक. जबकि कर्पूरी ठाकुर को हम कहते हैं जननायक. Jayaprakash Narayan, often referred as Lok Nayak, the people's leader, was one of the most influential leader of modern India, known for his integrity, idealism, and tireless commitment to social justice. Integrity, idealism, and tireless commitment to social justice. GP played a significant role not only in Indian freedom movement, but also in shaping post-independence Indian politics. His contribution during the struggle against British colonialism are especially notable, as he emerged as a powerful force in socialist stream of India's freedom movement, idealism, integrity, and tireless commitment to social justice. ठीक है. Early life influence. Jayaprakash Narayan was born on 11 October 1902 in Sitab Dera, a village in Bihar that border Uttar Pradesh. From an early age, he was exposed to the struggle of rural life, caste discrimination, poverty, which later shaped his socialist view. He went to United Nations for higher education, where he was deeply influenced by ideals of Karl Marx, Mahatma Gandhi, and Abraham Lincoln, as well as movements like socialism and democratic rights. Upon returning to India in late 1920s, JP joined Indian National Congress at the invitation of Jawaharlal Nehru and quickly became the part of its radical and socialist wing. ठीक है. जयप्रकाश नारायण. ओके. ये भाई यूएस में पढ़ाई करी इन्होंने. रोल इन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट. देखो, पार्टिसिपेटेड इन सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट 1930 में. JP actively joined civil disobedience movement initiated by Gandhiji in 1930. He played an organized role in mobilizing the youth and worker. His commitment to non-violent resistance led to multiple imprisonments, where he deepened his political conviction. Founding of Congress Socialist Party 1934. सबसे पहले सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, फिर कांग्रेस सोशलिस्ट पार्टी. Perhaps JP's most enduring contribution was the co-founder of Congress Socialist Party in 1934, along with Acharya Narendra Dev and others. Congress Socialist Party. ठीक है. Congress Socialist Party acted as socialist faction within Congress and advocated for agrarian reform, worker rights, elimination of caste discrimination, full independence from British rules. The Congress Socialist Party mobilized peasant workers. JP was regarded as one of its main ideologue and strategist. Quit India movement and heroic underground role. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट हुआ 1942 में. ये हम बोलें जस्ता जो है. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. ड्यूरिंग क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, JP took a legendary role as Gandhi, Nehru, and other Congress leaders were arrested. JP went underground and organized a secret society against British rule. आजाद चेष्टा कहते हैं इसको. He escaped from Hazaribagh jail in 1942 in a daring jailbreak along with some other socialist leader. He then led to underground resistance, inspiring youth, worker, and revolutionary across Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra. He set up a secret radio broadcast, circulated pamphlet, and organized sabotage against British administrative machinery. His underground role turned him into a symbol of resistance. British officials described him as one of the dangerous revolutionary in India during 1940. Association with revolutionary activities. ठीक है. JP also collaborated with other revolutionary groups like Azad Dasta, which included young nationalists who believe in direct action and sabotage. However, he always maintained a belief in ethical struggle, and while sympathetic to armed resistance, he never promoted bloodshed. Post-independence क्या हुआ? Although the freedom struggle technically ended in 1947, JP dedication to total revolution and people rights did not stop. He declined offer of ministerial position and gradually moved away from mainstream Congress. He became a central figure in Bhutan movement alongside Vinoba Bhave, Sarvodaya movement focusing on rural upliftment and decentralization, leading a mass movement against corruption, authoritarianism in 1970, culmination of emergency 1975 to 77, and formation of Janata Party which defeated Indira Gandhi Congress in 1977. Legacy. JP JP role in freedom movement is often overshadowed by his later political activism, but his contribution was monumental. He offered a socialist and ethical alternative to freedom movement, distinct from both Congress centralism and communist radicalism. ठीक है. He brought youth and peasant into political sphere, encouraged the politics of conscience and service. His underground leadership during Quit India movement galvanized resistance when national leader was behind the bar. Conclusion. J.P. Narayan was more than a freedom fighter. He was a visionary. His legacy in independence movement lies in his courage, clarity of purpose, and commitment to justice for the last person in society. From the dusty lane of Sitab Dera to underground resistance cell of 1940, JP remained a torch bearer of India's moral and democratic aspiration. His life is a testament to the idea that true leadership stems not from power but from principle. ठीक है. अब हम आते हैं discuss the significant contribution of Karpuri Thakur in social and political landscape of Bihar, focusing on his initiative for social justice and empowerment of marginal community. Karpuri Thakur's life was a lesson in humility, courage, and relentless service to humanity. Karpuri Thakur's life was a lesson in humility, courage, and relentless service to humanity. ठीक है. कर्पूरी ठाकुर fondly remembered as Jan Nayak, Lok Nayak JP Dev, was a torch bearer figure in Bihar history, known for his relentless effort towards social justice and empowerment of marginalized community. Acknowledging his unparalleled contribution, the Government of India recently conferred upon him Bharat Ratna posthumously, India's highest civilian honor, in recognition of his transformative role in shaping the state socio-political fabric. Early life. Humble beginning. 24 जनवरी 1924 को पितौंजिया, समस्तीपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पितौंजिया, Kapuri Thakur belonged to Nai barber caste, categorized as extremely backward class education. Despite financial hardship, he completed his school and was deeply influenced by socialist leaders like Ram Manohar Lohiya और Jaiprakash Narayan. ठीक है. Role in freedom struggle. He actively participated in Quit India movement 1942, which shaped his commitment to democratic and socialist idea. For his participation, spent 26 months in jail. हम्बल बिगिनिंग हुई. एजुकेशन में उन्होंने फोकस किया, सोशलिस्ट आइडिया से इन्फ्लुएंस थे. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट की टाइम ये जेल गए और 26 महीने इन्होंने जेल में बिताए. पॉलिटिकल जर्नी एंड लीडरशिप. टेन्योर एज चीफ मिनिस्टर. सर्व एज चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ बिहार ट्वाइस, 1970 से 71, 1977 से 79. फोकस्ड ऑन pro-people policy, prioritizing the welfare of backward and marginalized community over political expediency. ठीक है. Opposition to emergency, 1975 से 77. Thakur vehemently opposed the emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi, aligning with Jaiprakash Narayan movement to restore democracy. His leadership during this period cemented his reputation as a guardian of civil liberties. ठीक है. मतलब ये उसमें भी अपोजिशन इमरजेंसी में थे. ठीक है. अब हम देखते हैं लैंडमार्क पॉलिसीज ऑफ फॉर सोशल जस्टिस. देखो, Reservation policy introduction of 26% reservation. In 1978, just after emergency, ठाकुर implemented a 26% reservation, जिसमें एक्सट्रीमली बैकवर्ड कास्ट को 12%, OBC को 8% और वुमेन को 3% और पुअर फ्रॉम अपर कास्ट को 3%, ठीक है, 26%। तो देखो 12 तो एक्सट्रीमली बैकवर्ड कास्ट को देंगे, 8 देंगे OBC को, 3 देंगे वुमेन और अपर कास्ट में जो पुअर पीपल हैं। इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब एंड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन इन बिहार स्पेशल प्रोविजन फॉर EBC, he reserved 12% seat for extremely backward section within OBC quota, ensuring equitable distribution of benefit ahead of Mandal Commission. In 1978, implemented मुंगेरी लाल कमीशन रिपोर्ट 1971 से 77 इंट्रोड्यूस रिजर्वेशन फॉर बैकवर्ड कास्ट इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब एंड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन. दिस पॉलिसी वॉज इम्प्लीमेंटेड ओवर अ डिकेड बिफोर मंडल कमीशन नेशनल रिकमेंडेशन 1990. अबोलिशन ऑफ इंग्लिश इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन इन ईयर 1978 लॉन्च्ड ए कैंपेन कॉल्ड अंग्रेजी हटाओ विद द स्लोगन अंग्रेजी में काम ना होगा फिर से देश गुलाम ना होगा. अंग्रेजी हटाओ, अंग्रेजी में काम ना होगा फिर से देश गुलाम ना होगा. इम्पैक्ट allowed candidate to write exam in regional languages benefiting rural and underprivileged aspirant. This move democratized access to state services and empower backward class. अंग्रेजी हटाओ, ठीक है, अंग्रेजी के विरोध में थे और रिजर्वेशन. तो ये हमने देखा लैंडमार्क पॉलिसी. फिर इसमें देख रहे हैं फोकस ऑन एजुकेशन, एक्सपेंशन ऑफ स्कूल्स. कर्पूरी ठाकुर emphasized the establishment of primary and secondary school in rural area, recognizing education as a key to social upliftment. जैसे आचार्य नरेंद्र देव कॉलेज साहेबपुर पटौरी, डॉक्टर लोहिया कॉलेज ताजपुर. स्कॉलरशिप फॉर मार्जिनलाइज्ड स्टूडेंट, promoted financial assistance for students from SC, ST, OBC background to pursue higher education. For example, during his tenure, education up to 8 was made free in state. Advocacy for regional languages, championed the use of Hindi and other regional language in education. Administration and judiciary. For example, Urdu was recognized as second official language of state in 1984. ठीक है. एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ मार्जिनल कम्युनिटीज़, ये तो हो गया एजुकेशन. एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ मार्जिनल कम्युनिटी, एडवोकेटिंग फॉर दलित और EBC. देखो रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन पॉलिटिक्स, एक्टिवली वर्क टू इंश्योर प्रोपोर्शनल पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर दलित, OBC, EBC इन स्टेट एंड लोकल गवर्नेंस. पॉलिसी इम्पैक्ट, हिज टेन्योर विटनेस्ड एंड इंक्रीज पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ बैकवर्ड क्लासेज इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रोल. Economic empowerment, introduce program for skill development among marginalized group, particularly targeting traditional occupational communities जैसे barber, carpenter, porter. Example, in his first stint as chief minister, he implemented employment policy in response to job crisis of 1960. Women empowerment, advocated for women's right. ठीक है, एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ मार्जिनल कम्युनिटी की बात हो रही है. एडवोकेटेड फॉर वुमेंस राइट एंड इंक्लूजन, एम्फेसाइजिंग जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन हिज सोशल एजेंडा. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्रोवाइड 3% रिजर्वेशन टू वुमेन इन गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज. और आप देखते हैं ग्रास रूट गवर्नेंस एंड लीडरशिप, प्रमोट पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन, स्ट्रेंथ कर रहे हैं लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट को. सिंप्लिसिटी इन गवर्नेंस, नोन फॉर हिज austere lifestyle, कर्पूरी ठाकुर वॉज डीपली कनेक्टेड विद मासेस, अर्निंग हिम एज जननायक. रूरल डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. इनिशिएटेड प्रोग्राम टू इम्प्रूव रूरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंक्लूडिंग हेल्थ, रोड एंड इरीगेशन फैसिलिटीज़. लिकर बैन, इन्फोर्स्ड टोटल प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ एल्कोहल इन बिहार इन 1970. रिमूव्ड मालगुजारी टैक्स. एज अ फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ही डिसाइड टू डिसकंटिन्यू द कलेक्शन ऑफ रेवेन्यू मालगुजारी from those having 3.5 acre of irrigated and 7 acre of अनइरीगेटेड लैंड. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया ग्रास रूट गवर्नेंस पे. अब आते हैं लेगेसी एंड कंटिन्यू इम्पैक्ट. पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएंस लीडर लाइक लालू प्रसाद यादव, नीतीश कुमार, हु हैव कंटिन्यूड हिज लेगेसी ऑफ एडवोकेटिंग फॉर सोशल जस्टिस इन बिहार. इंस्पिरेशन फॉर सोशल जस्टिस मूवमेंट. देखो रिकॉग्नाइजिंग 24 जनवरी को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कर्पूरी ठाकुर जयंती इन बिहार टू ऑनर हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. His policies remain a benchmark for pro-people governance, inspiring similar initiative in other state. मतलब legacy देखो हम देख रहे हैं, पहला देखेंगे टन्योर कैसा रहा, ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल जर्नी देख रहे हैं, और इमरजेंसी का हो गया, लैंड वार, सोशल जस्टिस में रिजर्वेशन की पॉलिसी और इंग्लिश को अबॉलिश किया, एजुकेशन में एक्सपेंड करा, स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह दी और रीजनल लैंग्वेज पे फोकस किया, मार्जिनल कम्युनिटी और दलित ईबीसी इन सब का इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, ग्रास रूट गवर्नेंस एंड लीडरशिप प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, पंचायती राज, सिंप्लिसिटी इन गवर्नेंस, रूरल डेवलपमेंट, लीकर बैन, विमुक्त मालगुजारी, ठीक है। फिर लेगेसी देखते हैं, पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएंस और लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस किया है, सोशल जस्टिस, ठीक है। चैलेंजेस देखिए, बैकलेस फॉर elite from elite group. His reservation policy faced opposition from upper caste, leading to political unrest and polarization. Economic constraint. Critics argue that his focus on social justice often came at the cost of economic growth and industrialization of Bihar. The strength of Kapuri Thakur legacy lies in his vision of inclusive society where the last person in the lane has equal opportunity. His legacy of democratic value, simplicity and commitment to upliftment of underprivileged continue to inspire leader and policy makers. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद एंड नेशनल मूवमेंट। इन अटेनिंग आवर आइडियल्स आवर मीन्स शुड बी एज प्योर एज एंड। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, देश रत्न देखो, लोकनायक जेपी, जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर और देश रत्न डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद was a prominent leader of Indian National Congress movement. He was born on 3 December 1885 in Bihar, India, and was a key figure in Indian struggle for independence. National Congress में देखा जाए फर्स्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट 1906 कलकत्ता सेशन, फॉर्मली 1911 में ज्वाइंट कर लिया कलकत्ता सेशन। 1916 में ही मीट महात्मा गांधी एट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस लखनऊ सेशन। 1934 बॉम्बे, 1929 त्रिपुरी और 1947 दिल्ली सेशन में वो प्रेसिडेंट बने, ठीक है। चंपारण सत्याग्रह में सपोर्टेड गांधी जी। रॉलेट एक्ट 1919, फर्स्ट लीडर फ्रॉम बिहार टू साइन एंड अग्री टू अपहेल्ड नॉन वायलेंट कॉन्सेप्ट। नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट 1920, लेफ्ट लीगल्स प्रैक्टिस एंड ओवरसॉ नॉन कॉपरेशन प्रोग्राम इन बिहार। फिर है तुम्हारा फ्लैग सत्याग्रह, ये एंथुजियास्टिकली टुक पार्ट, ठीक है। सिविल डिसोबीडियंट मूवमेंट, रिजाइन फ्रॉम ऑफिस ऑफ पटना इन बिहार, तो ये ऑलरेडी रिज़ाइन नहीं किए थे, ठीक है। लेफ्ट लीगल प्रैक्टिस और अभी तो रिज़ाइन किया है, ठीक है, ठीक है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली 1946, प्रेसिडेंट बने 11 दिसंबर 1946 को। बुक सत्याग्रह एट चंपारण 1922 में, डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया 1946 में। क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटेड, अरेस्टेड अंडर 0R। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद लेगेसी कंटिन्यू टू इंस्पायर जनरेशन, symbolizing integrity, simplicity and unwavering dedication to the nation. अब हम आते हैं, discuss the role of Rabindranath Tagore in national movement, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wall. Okay, where mind is without fear, where head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wall. Rabindranath Tagore, a renowned poet, philosopher, educator, played a multifaceted role in Indian national movement. While not a conventional political activist, his impact was profound and far-reaching. Critique of narrow nationalism, ठीक है। Tagore was critical of aggressive and narrow nationalism. He believed in the concept of universal humanism, emphasizing the need for harmony beyond national border. His work Ghare Vere, the home and the world, Ghare Vere, explored the tension between nationalism and universal value. Explored the Ghare Vere. Cultural awakening. Tagore saw cultural regeneration as a prerequisite for national resurgence. Through his poetry, song, plays, he infused the spirit of self-respect, pride, and culture revival among Indians. He composed Jan Gan Man, which later became the national anthem of India, symbolizing unity and diversity. ठीक है, कल्चरल अवेकनिंग करी. अब आते स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. टैगोर एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटेड इन स्वदेशी मूवमेंट 1905 ड्यूरिंग द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ बंगाल. ही रॉट patriotic song and organized Rakhi tying ceremony to promote unity between Hindu and Muslim. Critics of colonialism. His work, including Gitanjali and Essay, criticized the dehumanizing impact of colonial rule while advocating for spiritual and cultural freedom. He believed in resistance through education and cultural empowerment rather than political confrontation. Educational reform. टैगोर established विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी इन शांति निकेतन 1921 to create an institution where global culture could intermingle and promote education free from colonial influence. His emphasis on education as a tool for national awakening laid the foundation of modern Indian education. Responsible to जलियांवाला बाग, इन्होंने अपना नाइटहुड का टाइटल त्याग दिया. हिज रेनन्सिएशन हाईलाइट हिज मोरल स्टैंड अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश ऑपरेशन. इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन गांधी. टैगोर शेयर अ कॉम्प्लेक्स रिलेशन विद महात्मा गांधी. While they admire each other, Tagore occasionally critiqued Gandhiji's ideas such as non-cooperation, which Tagore felt could foster blind fanatism. However, both leaders inspire each other in vision for free and inclusive India. Global voice for India. Tagore represented Indian aspiration on global stage, advocating for freedom and universal brotherhood. His travel to Europe, America, and Asia helped India raise awareness of Indian cultural richness and ethical basis of its freedom struggle. Tagore's role in Indian national movement was profound yet unconventional. Unlike militant and political leader, his contribution lay in spiritual, cultural, and intellectual domain. Role of Nehru in making modern India. Nehru sought to blend modernity with India's rich cultural heritage, giving a newly independent nation a distinct identity. Jatin Brown. Jawaharlal Nehru played a pivotal role in shaping modern India. His vision, leadership, and policies laid the foundation for India's political, economic, and social framework. Below is the analysis of his contribution. Political vision. Because Democratic Institute. Nehru nurtured democracy in a diverse nation. He established parliamentary system, ensuring regular election and rule of law. Secularism. Advocated for secularism, emphasizing equality irrespective of religion, fostering communal harmony. NAM. As a proponent of NAM, Nehru steered India towards neutrality in Cold War, promoting peace and non-aggression. Economic development. Planned economy. Introduced 5-year plan to achieve balanced economic growth. Industrialization. Championed the establishment of heavy industry like steel plant, Bhilai, Raulkela, laying the foundation for self-reliance. Agriculture. Initiated irrigation project जैसे भाखरा नागर डैम to improve agriculture productivity. Scientific and technological advancement. Scientific institution founded institution like IITs, ISRO, and Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Atomic energy. Collaborated with Homi Bhabha to establish Atomic Energy Commission, fostering India's nuclear energy program. Education and social reform. Education system. Promoted universal education, emphasizing primary education and founding institutions like AIMS, NCERT, UGC. Women empowerment. Advocated for women rights, codify laws such as Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act. Social equality. Work to uplift marginalized community and eliminating caste-based discrimination. ठीक है. Foreign policy. Panchasheel principle. Advocated peaceful coexistence and non-interference, shaping India's foreign relation. Leadership in global south. positioned India as a moral leader advocating disarmament and global peace. Infrastructure development, dam and power project called Dam Temple of Modern India, emphasizing multi-purpose project for irrigation and energy, transport and connectivity, promoted development of railway, road, port for economic integration. Critic Garage strengthened his policies, laid down the foundation for democratic and industrial framework challenge. Critic argued that socialist economic policies delayed liberalization and his handling of Kashmir issue and Sino-India War of 1962 raised concern. Conclusion: Jawaharlal Nehru's vision of democratic, secular and modern India was instrumental in shaping India's identity. His legacy continued to influence India's political ethos and developmental trajectory. As he famously said, the achievement we celebrate today is but a step, an opening of opportunity to greater trump and achievement that waits us. स्वामी सहजानंद एंड किसान सभा. देखो, स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती was a pioneer leader of peasant movement in India. His effort led to formation of structured peasant organization and played a crucial role in shaping agrarian movement against feudal exploitation. Background देखते हैं. Causes of किसान movement. The peasant movement emerged due to several socio-economic and political factors. Jamindari system, exploitative landlord control vast land and extracted heavy rent from peasant, hindering agricultural growth. Oppressive British policy system like Tin Khatiya, forcing peasant to grow indigo, burden farmers. Impact of industrialization, the decline of handicraft due to British industrial policies push artisan into agriculture, increase in land pressure. Unfair judicial system, the legacy system favored jamindari, leading to widespread injustice. Jamindari, oppressive British policies have impact on industrialization and unfair judicial system. Role of Sahajanand Saraswati Swami in Kisan Sabha, formation of Kisan Sabha. Bihar Prudential Kisan Sabha 1929, established in Patna to organize peasant against जमींदारी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. बिहार प्रोविडेंशियल किसान सभा. ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा 1936. पहले बिहार प्रोविडेंशियल किसान सभा established in Patna to organize peasant against जमींदारी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा 1936 formed in Lucknow under his leadership, unifying farmer struggle across India. Major peasant movement, Bakaust movement 1937-38 protested against the eviction of tenants from self-cultivated land, इसको बकसत लैंड कहते हैं, लीडिंग टू बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट. एंटी जमींदारी स्ट्रगल, advocated for abolition of jamindari without compensation, which was later implemented in Bihar under Sri Krishna Sinha's leadership. ठीक है. Political revolutionary role, worked with Subhash Chandra Bose in anti-compromise conference. Briefly joined Communist Party of India but later distanced himself from all political party to focus solely on peasant issues. Use of media for awareness. His follower Pandit Yamuna Karji, Rahul Sankrityayan started Hindu weekly Hunkar, which became the voice of peasant movement. Pandit Yamuna Karji और राहुल Sankrityayan. Impact of Kisan movement. First major organized peasant movement in India, abolition of jamindari system in Bihar 1950, inspired similar reform across India, strengthened agrarian consciousness, influencing future land reform and rural movement. Challenges faced by movement: lack of full support from Indian National Congress, financial constraints limited its reach and impact. Repression by landlord led to intimidation of peasant and leaders. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati was a visionary leader who transformed agrarian struggle into a organized mass movement. His role in peasant movement not only led to abolition of jamindari but also laid the foundation for future agrarian policy in independent India. His legacy continued to inspire movement for farmers' rights and rural justice.